My name's Harry and I'm doing heat pump installs. I want to try and stay up to date with the moving industry. Yeah, I think I've benefited from the training massively. It's really interesting to see exactly how they work. The changeover from how you fit boilers to how you fit heat pumps and how different it would be. Relearning how to install systems more efficiently. I think it will benefit my company to have, happier customers paying less for their heating bills. I found the reintroduction to all the low temperatures challenging, but I think it will be a benefit. I've trained here a few times since 2019 and I always really enjoy it, and the staff are always really approachable and really helpful. I'd definitely recommend the course if you're looking to get into the moving industry.